To Standard Information. All right, so welcome to Standard Information. I'm going to do a quick training today. Since this is the first video, this is the Getting Started video. So you have a brand new account. Right now I'm in a demo organization account, so I'm going to show you the first steps to getting going and getting everything set up for Standard Information. So right off the bat, this is an extremely powerful platform that can do a ton of things. You can use it to get in leads, send out leads, run lead auctions, send leads via an auction method via ping post or direct post. And then you can also run all sorts of validations, including custom validations. But to get started with, the very first thing that we need to do is you're going to see this dashboard when you first log in. To get everything up and running, the very first thing you need to do is set up your verticals. So setting up verticals is super easy. So we're just going to go over to presets. So you're going to click on presets here, and you're going to click on verticals, which is the first one at the top. And here you're going to see a bunch of pre-made verticals. To set up a new vertical, you're just going to go over here to the right-hand side, and you click on this Add Vertical button. This Add Vertical button is going to give you a couple options. Most likely, and for this first one, we're just going to assume that you're using a vertical that we already have as a template. So you can click on this existing SIO template. This is going to give you quite a number of them to choose from. So you can click on this drop-down menu and click on all the verticals that we have put in here. So we can go ahead and click on maybe home improvement gutters or solar, legal. Let's go with solar. So we're going to click create. If your vertical is not in here, you can create one from scratch, and I'll be covering that in a future video. So click here and click create. This will give you the full vertical preset. You can edit any of these things that you want right off the bat. You can also rename this. And so by renaming this, you can change all the fields. Everything in here is fully customizable, so you can set up the vertical any way you want. The vertical tells the system how you will be passing information into the system. You can also modify the responses as well. But for now, we're going to keep everything the same. In most cases, you can probably use the template vertical and get you started that way. So we're just going to go ahead and click save. And then we're going to see that new vertical show up in our verticals here. And so it's going to be added to your list here, so solar new. So once this vertical is created, you are set up and able to run in this vertical. Again, verticals are going to be the data types that you have coming in. So the kind of leads, you can create as many verticals as you need. And each vertical will be specific. So you might do for one for like auto, home, or life insurance, or different home service categories. There's a lot of different things you can do. But once you've created your vertical, then we can move on to setting up buyers and vendors, which I'll cover in the next video.